Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check Mac OS and whether you used Finder or iTunes to back up. Once done, open Finder and navigate to /library/application support /mobile sync /backup, or use Finder's Devices Manage Backups to view entries. Make sure to connect the iPhone if you plan to compare timestamps. This helps you identify the correct backup. You need account access and local backup files. Encrypted backups require the password. Now that you've located backups, proceed to extract photos. Now you will extract images. Use a reputable backup extractor app. It parses the backup folder and shows media domain and photo data content. Once done, select Photos or DSIM entries and choose Export to a folder on your Mac. Encryption prompts require the backup password, so make sure to enter it. If you prefer command line, export media domain files and SQLite photo data to reconstruct galleries. This is why extractors simplify the mapping of file ID to file names. After export, verify thumbnails and metadata. Finish by importing the exported photo folder into the Photos app or simply copy images to your chosen directory. Once done, confirm dates and metadata to ensure correct ordering. If you find missing images, make sure you checked every backup timestamp and that encrypted backups were unlocked. Sometimes media resides in a different backup snapshot. If problems persist, try a different extractor or restore the backup to a spare device and re-export. This often resolves extraction mapping or integrity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.